Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Karthik Narayan, Managing Director, Athulya Senior Care. We are a comprehensive senior care organization managing 250 beds in the Athulya Assisted Living and Transition Care business and touched more than 15,000 customers in the home care business. My question that was put forward for me was, what are the policy interventions required to enhance the assistive technology for the elders, and what are some of the policy recommendations? Broadly, if you look at in our country, the aging population is increasing. Today 138 million, and more than 60% of them are tech savvy and are using mobile devices either for e-commerce, for transportation, for entertainment. But healthcare is just stepping in. Let me dive in straight into the assistive technologies. Broadly, I would put them into four buckets. The first one being self-care. Self-care is your hygiene, day-to-day routine technologies. Second is the mobility, which is your wheelchair, crutches, canes. Third would be communications, which is your visual aids, hearing aids, memory aids. And fourth, the most important part, safety. Under the safety, they would come under the medical devices, remote patient monitoring, and any of the devices that help in tracking elderly for medical alerts. When you look at challenges or the entry barriers, it broadly comes under the access. Today, we all know it's available, these assistive technologies, but is there a common platform? How well is it brought into the communities? There is a central body under the National Trust into the Social Justice website where you can go and access them, but not many know about them. So in the access, cost becomes a very important part. Today, most of the devices are imported and they cost a lot. A Make in India push has to be done much better. It will help in bringing down the cost. Second is the data protection of seniors' data that gets entered through these softwares or medical aids. Today, a lot of the seniors use these apps, but unfortunately or knowingly or unknowingly, they do enter a lot of their personal information. So protection of their information through softwares and apps have to be looked into. Third, the regulatory classification. A lot of these aids today are a borderline between medical devices and lifestyle. So where do they fit in? So that puts a question on the innovation, where a lot of entrepreneurs trying to get into this space are trying to take a step back. Hey, is it a medical device or a lifestyle device? Fourth, the most important part is the quality accreditation. Today, if we have to look into what is the standard benchmark for assistive technologies, not really one. It's either falling into an ISO or a CE, but to be specific into this space of assistive technology, it would be very nice to have something like how the Americas have, where an elderly or a disabled is able to see the quality seal and they would know that it has been designed for them to make their lives better. That's it from me. Thank you.